Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create eye-catching Instagram stories that stand out using Canva? First, click Create, then type Instagram Story in the search bar. Next, select the Instagram Story template from the results. This will open the template, allowing you to customize and design your Instagram story easily and efficiently. Use the available tools to personalize your content before sharing. Select the template to begin. Next, add elements by searching for wine droplets. Click See All to view options. Then, type droplets in the search bar to find related graphics. Choose the desired droplet element and add it to your project. This process customizes your design with specific elements quickly and efficiently. Select the element you want to animate. Click to add an animation effect. Choose the desired animation from the list. Next, select the iPad element in the background. Apply an animation effect there as well. For this background, select the photo zoom animation to create a dynamic look. Now move to the text element. Apply the baseline animation to make the text appear with a smooth entrance. Ensure each animation is applied correctly by previewing them individually. Adjust the animation timing if necessary for a seamless flow. Combine these effects to enhance the overall presentation. Animations can highlight key content and engage viewers. Use them sparingly to maintain a professional appearance. To reduce the animation speed, select the animation settings and adjust the duration slider to your preferred speed. Next, add a new page by clicking the plus icon or choosing Add Page from the menu. This will create a second page for your project. On this new page, you can apply effects such as match and move. To do this, select an object on the first page, then on the second page, choose the Match and Move option from the animation effects list. This feature allows seamless transitions between pages by matching objects and creating smooth movement animations. Preview your changes by clicking the play button to ensure the animation flows at the desired speed and the transitions look natural. First, apply the same auto zoom animation to this section. Next, add a different animation by selecting the drift effect for this area. After that, proceed to add the succession animation to the next part. Once all animations are applied, adjust the speed to enhance the overall flow. Try reducing the speed gradually to achieve a smoother transition between animations. This sequence of applying auto zoom, drift, and succession animations followed by slowing down their speed gives your project a dynamic and engaging appearance. Remember, fine-tuning the speed is essential for maintaining a natural visual rhythm. Continue experimenting with the timing until you find the perfect balance that fits your desired outcome. First, let's play the animation to see how it looks. Next, we will add elements to enhance the project. To begin, click on the Elements tab, then select Audio from the available options. Browse through the audio library to find suitable background music or sound effects. Let's search for an audio track by typing Goodbye in the search bar. Once you find a track you like, click and drag it onto the timeline below your slides. Position the audio clip to align with your first slide. To make sure the audio covers the entire duration of the story, expand the audio clip by dragging its edges. This will extend the playback time to match your content. If the video duration is shorter than needed, increase the timing of the slides. To adjust the rotation, first select the object you want to modify. Next, locate the rotation tool in the toolbar, usually represented by a circular arrow icon. Click the rotation tool to activate it. Then, click and drag the rotation handle around the object's pivot point to increase or decrease the angle of rotation. For precise control, you can enter a specific degree value in the rotation input box found in the Properties panel. After setting the desired rotation angle, release the mouse button to apply the change. This method allows you to fine-tune your design's orientation quickly and accurately. Click play to preview your animation. To add elements, select the desired item from the toolbar and place it onto your canvas. Once your elements are positioned, click the Animate button to open the animation options. Choose the animation style that fits your design from the available effects. Adjust the timing and sequence to control how each element moves. Use the timeline to synchronize animation smoothly. Preview your work again by clicking play to ensure everything flows as intended. Make further adjustments if needed by selecting individual elements and modifying their animation settings. Once satisfied, save your project to preserve all changes. This process helps create engaging and dynamic Place the break at the desired point in your video. Adjust the position as needed until you're satisfied with the timing. Once everything looks good, click the Share button. From the options, select Download to save your video to your device. Make sure to choose the preferred format and quality settings before confirming the download. After the process completes, your video will be ready for use or distribution. This simple sequence ensures your video is precisely edited and properly saved. Increase the quality settings before clicking the download button to ensure you get the best possible version of your file. Now you know how to design Instagram stories in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.